Hi and welcome to this new video on basic robotics theory. So in this video we're going to talk about how to fuse sensor data, so odometry and IMU and other sensors, so that you can improve your localization system. So what's the problem? So the problem is that sensors in reality are very noisy. So it's quite normal that the odometry of the wheels, for example, works when the robot doesn't skid, doesn't crash into something. So these kind of problems are the real thing. And the problem with that is that your odometry will suffer from that. So what can you do? So in reality, what we do is we get different kind of sensors in the robot. So we have, for example, odometry based on laser, odometry on vision, odometry on GPS. We have IMUs, we have loads of stuff that will be combined so that the localization of the robot is more precise. And we fix these issues. So if you want to know more about this and how to implement it in full detail, have a look at this course of fused sensor data to improve localization. It's quite long, but it's really complete on this topic. And basically here I'm going to show you just a tiny little part of it and how does it fix things. So let me show you. So as always, we have our beloved simulation of a butter robot. And in this case, we have the RVIS here. Just let me minimize myself here. And here you can see the robot with a point cloud. And we also are publishing the odometry and also the fixed odometry. Okay, so the odometry with noise will come with in red arrows, and the green arrows will be the fixed odometry. And so let me run the code. So here we have now the data publishing, and here you can see the noisy one, and here the odometry. Okay, so if let me put this around here, and let me put this here, and let me move the robot around and see what happens. As you can see, the odometry, the green one, is much more stable now, while the red one is all over the place. So basically that's what fusing the sensors is. And if we fuse more and more sensors, then we will get a better odometry, because this odometry, for example, based on the sensors that I fuse, which are the IMU and the basic noise odometry, doesn't deal with issues like, for example, falling over the table or crashing into a box. So if I added more and more sensors, it would fix those issues properly, especially if they are sensors that are designed to detect that stuff. And you would say, how are these sensors fused? So let me show you real quick here. So essentially what we're doing is, in this config file, we are saying, okay, I'm getting my information from this noisy odometry and also from this IMU0. And these essentially are the position X, Y, and Z, the speed, X, Y, and Z, acceleration, this is angular, and so on. So they are the different kinds of data that the odometry gives. And what we state here is which data we want. In this case, in our case, we just pick some of them. And by this, we limit the way that they are fused, and so we give more importance to some data from one sensor and other data from the other. Basically, that's how it works. And what we're doing is launching this AKF localization node in this package, robot localization. You can download it from the ROS repositories. And that's it. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Please check out the course where we explain more into detail all this stuff, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And until then, see you in the next video. Peace.